See this neighboring this border areas, they are forests, and it falls within the purview of the forest department. So in this regard, forest department had requisitioned for police force so that they can do the patrolling. So this patrolling is a normal thing, and now the forest department did the patrolling in their area because it's not that crossing the border. Nowadays it is very clear. You have a GPS. I can see that whether it is in your area or other side. And in their area, when they found that there is some makeshift structure and all that, which is in the form of encroachment, there is a Supreme Court order. There cannot be any encroachment. There cannot be anything inside the forest area. So they have removed that. So forest department, from home department, from police department, we are just supporting them to do their routine normal work. Sometimes if there is any difference in perception, then definitely from Mizoram also people come. There are cases where officers from Mizoram and officers from Assam come and they see that they ascertain the facts. This, I would say, is more ascertaining, and many a times they realize, Mizoram also realize that what is happening is that if it is inside our area, then they are supposed to give us the facts. So it is a routine thing, mixing, because you see this border meetings used to happen very frequently earlier. Nowadays it is not happening, but between the deputy commissioners and SPs there should be border meeting, and then people will know in the ground what is happening.